here we have a polynomial, trinomial, 3 terms. We don't have anything in common but 1 between these 3 terms. So let's see how we're going to factor this. Sunit, you have the microphone. You want to get started with this one? How you think we can factor this?
I see. Six. 6y on both of the parentheses for the first term.
Okay. Let's look at the first term here. You have 12y squared. Obviously for y, that should be easy. We put y and y here. Okay. For 12, what are the possibilities for 12, Sunny?
I'm sorry. 4, 3.
Okay, 1 and 12, and next one, 2 and what?
2 and 6.
Okay. How about 3 and?
3 and 4.
So we have either 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. And then for 2, for this constant here, we only have one possibility, 1 and 2, right?
1 and 2, yes.
Right. So which one of these do you think we should try first? Usually one on the number is not the one that you want to try first.
6 and 2.
2 and 6. So you can either put 2 and 6 or 3 and 4. Let's try 3 and 4. Okay. So remember, when we multiply the 2 closest term and 2 furthest term, you want to get 11y. And for 2, you only have one possibility here, 2 and 1. Okay? So where do you think we should put the 2? Either put it here or here. But remember, 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3.
2 on the first parenthesis.
2 and 1. Because that would be a right combination. 12 and 1 is not going to work. 2 and 6 is not going to work. 3 and 4 for the first term looks like it's working. 2 times 4, the 2 middle term, that would be 8y. And here we have 3y. Can I make 11y out of that?
Yes.
Yeah, both are positive, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's how you combine these. So as you see, there are degrees of trial and error involved with factoring trinomials. This is again not the only method to factor completely. If you pick 2 and 6, like you said earlier, Sunny, you would see that none of the combination for 1 and 2 would work. When you pick these numbers for 2 and 1, if I put 1 here and 2 here, so obviously 1 times 4 is 4, and then if I put 2 here, 2 times 3 is equal to 6, right?
Yes.
So you see that that's not going to work. That's not going to add up to 11y. So then you have to switch them around. As I record this, like I said, the students cannot see your comments that your send it to me in the chat box. So I'm reading the chat box now to see if anyone is giving me comments or the questions. I see one of you asked to put 12 and 1. Obviously 12 and 1 is not going to work. If you put 12 and 1 here and 1 and 2, or switch 2 and 1, it's not going to add up to 11y. And looks like everybody okay with this now. Alright, so this is how you factor this polynomial.